Wala.
Or isusumite pala?
Wala. It's his choice. Nag-usap na kami, and may napupasuan na siya, pero hindi na lang natin yung announcement niya.
Pero sir, ano bang qualification ng GPNP ang kailangan?
Basta general and above, honest, good track record, firm grasp on police matters, and a good vision for the PNP ang kailangan natin. Ang nangyayari kasi sa atin, a tenure of a GPNP will only last 1 year, 1 year. Kailangan natin merong continuing vision na may tie-in ng lahat ng PNP as the years go by. Ngayon kasi paiba-iba eh. Every year, iba ang directive. Every year, iba ang vision. Every year, iba ang mission statement. My goal is that isa na lang ang mission statement, isa na lang ang directive, isa na lang ang direction, no matter who the chief PNP is.
Next question.
Advantage ba yung may mas mahaba pang natitirang term?
Yes, mas advantage yun. Magkasad kami ng PNP reform law kasi nung sinulat ng PNP INP integration law, that was 1992. Nung panahon na yun, wala pang social media. Nung panahon na yun, ang per capita income ng Pilipinas ay less than $1,000. Nung panahon na yun, ang population ng Metro Manila, mga 6 million lang. Ngayon, 13 million na. Yung panahon na yun, ang access sa baril, hindi kasi malaki. The world has changed, and the law has to change with it.